Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are enjoying your day, or if you're reading it in the night, hope you all had a beautiful day, because many of them see my readings at the night after 12 to plan their day the next day. So I'm back with my Ma Kali cards. So let's see. Okay, I'm guided to pick all the four, so I'm picking all the four. I don't know why. Matangi, my favorite, you all know. I just love her. Oh my god, Mahavidya. I think this combination has already come once. Dakshina and Dhumavati. So first we will go with Matangi and Mahavidya. I still remember in the Dashamahavidya's class when I was teaching about Matangi, she is one Devi who gives Vak Siddhi. Now, if you combine the Mahavidya and the Matangi, today she is there to ignite the inner power in you. She is going to give you the ability to handle things the way you want to handle. She is also asking you to work on your third eye. I feel she's asking you to work on your third eye. Come out of a situation which is troubling you for quite some time. Only when you come out of that situation, you will be able to handle your life properly and you will be able to achieve what you want to achieve, or else this will keep happening in the same way and you will not be able to come out of the things that you actually want to come out. Now, coming to the Mahavidya. Mahavidya, as I said, these are two interrelated because I feel that Mahavidya only comes when the Vak Siddhi has to happen. So, today, if there's anything which you can do to enhance your wisdom, please do that. Work on your wisdom part, work on your on your third eye, and do whatever prayers or whatever you feel guided to. But today, work on this cycle that you are attaining your Vak Siddhi, you are attaining or working on your third eye, and you are gaining wisdom over whatever situation is prevailing, for which you need the right solution. Now, coming to Dakshina and Dhumavati. Again, if you see the combination, Dakshina comes only, when you feel you're not confident, when you feel, things are not working in your favor, and when you feel, no, this is not the right time. She comes as a mother to bless you. So today, maybe she has come to bless you and tell you, work on your Vaksiddhi, work on your wisdom. I am there to bless you. I am there to guide you. No matter whatever happens, I shall not leave you and I shall be with you permanently. Now, coming to the last card. The last card, Dhumavati, she is also a mother who helps us in coming out of our difficult transition periods. She helps us in coming out of issues which we feel is troubling us and we don't know how to come out of it. She helps us to accept situations. She helps us to become vulnerable in such a way that we know how to handle situations and surrender it to the university, and at the same time pray to her to come out of it. Just tell her, Divine Mother, hold my hand and make me to come out of this situation. Make me to handle the situation beautifully and always be there with me, blessing me. Now, today's color is green because you all know whenever Matangi comes, I always say the color green. And today, mantra chanting will be Om, Hreem, Aim, Shreem, Shri Matangeshwari Swaha. I repeat, Om, Hreem, Aim, Shreem, Shri Matangeshwari Swaha. Have a beautiful day, all of you. Jai Ma Kali.